Hey my loves, first off, before we get started, this video is a hair video. That's the reason I have a hat and a ponytail. So before I go to the hair shop, Starbucks. I need something. I'm gonna get one for my friend, my hairstylist. Hey Brie girl, I love you boo. Let's hop into this video. Hair is back laid, okay? Y'all see it? If y'all hairdresser don't got you feeling yourself when you get your hair done, is she really your hairdresser? Nah. Finished product, y'all. Got my hair did. She back in the game. Back to it. Fourth install, okay? Fourth, okay? Done had this hair since January of 2021. We're in September, fourth install. I promise your hair can't do this. I promise. I don't have no makeup on. Excuse my brows also. Let's just put the disclaimer out there. I did get my brows retouched, so that's why they're peeling. They're going through the healing process. So stall me out. But yeah. Yes, I need some lip gloss. Okay guys, so I feel like sitting in the car is just where I do all my talks at. So I just want to give y'all a quick review of this hair though. Okay, do you see? If your stylist does not have you feeling yourself when you leave the shop, is she even a good stylist? Like, is she your stylist? No, but seriously, I want to give a review on this hair. I have been wearing this hair since my son was 3 years old. He will be 13 in December. That is how amazing this hair is. It is literally the best hair I have ever used. And this is my fourth install on this hair alone. And right now I have in 3 28-inch bundles and one 26 inch. Yes, so I have 4 bundles in my head and I absolutely adore this hair. You will love this hair, like, I promise. And this is colored, so if it comes out this good colored, you know, imagine the natural state, the natural curl. And this is curly hair that I straighten, and this hair goes right back to curly. Soon as I wash it, I don't lose the curl pattern. It doesn't all of a sudden become stringy. This is natural hair. It is, I love it. Do y'all see how cute I am? Let's just talk about it. Let's just talk. Leave me a comment if I'm cute. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. No, I love y'all. Thank y'all for checking this out. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little review. Thank you, Brie. I'm gonna drop her information in the description box below. Thank y'all for watching. Please give me a like on this video, okay guys? Give me a thumbs up because that is what helps my channel. But of course, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Duh. Hello. No. Tomorrow I'm flying out to San Francisco and I think I'm gonna vlog that. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Anyways.